Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create a Gantt chart. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Let's get started. We will create the Gantt chart, but before we create the Gantt chart, we would need to add a few elements. So these would be these. Say we would put in 5 task IDs. I have made a separate video on how you can do this. I would put the link up on top of this page. Now let's put in the dates. So we are sitting on the 25th of June. So let's say we would create this Gantt chart for the months of July and August. Some of these tasks would be overlapping, and for some there would be a clear separation from the other tasks. I would try and put in various combinations of dates so that you get to see how the Gantt chart would look. Now let's come here and try and create the Gantt chart panel. We don't want to display the entire date. Rather, what we want to do is that we want to just display the date and not the month and the year. Similarly here, we would come here, put this in. As you can see, using this fill option, I can actually fill the dates. What next? Now we need to display the month. So we would come here. As you can see, it would display July. I would merge and center them. Maybe put in a color. I come here and I would just put in this, display August. Now what do we actually want is, we want a bar that would run from 1st of July to 16th of July. How do we go about that? We would use the if function. And this date has to be less than or equal to the end date, and also greater than or equal to the start date. If it's so, say we would put in a Y, or else we would leave this as a blank. We also need to fix this. We will shortly see how this is going to be useful. Now let's see if this works. Yep. So now what we want to do is we want to replace this Y's with a bar. For that we are going to use conditional formatting. We would create a new rule, select specific text, put in Y because that is what we put in as a cell entry. Come to fill, and maybe we would put in this. What we would do is we would come here and change the font color to deep blue as well. Now let's press OK. Yep. So as you can see, we have created this Gantt chart. Of course, you can go around making a few element changes so that it looks prettier. You can put different color codes so that they look cleaner. You can also put in an overall border. Like this. And you may be wondering why the color is not showing up. Because it has been set to white. Now if I do this, you can see it. Cool. So that's how the Gantt chart has been created. Now if I change the dates, yep, the chart on the right gets updated. Yes, that's how you can create an easy and effective Gantt chart.
So yes, that was what today's video was about. Hope you found this useful. If you did like this, do share it with someone who would find this useful too. Thank you.